Hello teacher, hi everyone. Today we will introduce you something special about robotics. My team includes 3 people. It's called Victoria. About content, we have 4 content today. The first is the information and development. The second is composition and application. The third is advantage and disadvantage. And the last is conclusion. Let's get started. Firstly, I will talk about the information and development of robotics. About story. The earliest robot algorithm were created in the early 1950s by George Devil, an inventor from Louisville, Kentucky. So what is robotics? Robotics is the intersection of science, engineering, and technology that produce machines called robots that perform or replicate human actions. It's been used to replace people in hazardous environments or in manufacturing processes, or to mimic people in appearances, behavior, or perception. About the development. The development of the robot is being produced to look and behave like humans. It's with the characteristics that humans will relate to and properly taught to manage our own personal needs. Cleaning, cooking, magazine to children are on possibilities with the advancement being made in robotics. This year, robots will be teaching everything from math to vocabulary to nutrition inside classrooms in California and New York. Among the researchers called the first in American education in the school system, in school care of children with disabilities, there have been advancements with robots. Autistic children are open communicating with the robots, as they have a hard time interacting with humans. Next, I will show you some types of robots that most interacting with recent time are. This is robot manipulator. This is mobile robots. Here is BIOS-inspired robots. This is personal robots. This is industrial robots, and here is medical robots.
There are many types of robotics. First, I will tell you about the composition and application of industrial robot. The first one is composition. Most industrial robots have at least the following 5 parts: manipulator or rover, main body of robot, and effector, the part that is connected to the last strong hand of a manipulator, actuator, muscles of the manipulator, sensor to collect information about the internal state of the robot or to communicate with the outside environment. Controller, similar to cerebellum, it controls and coordinates the motion of the actuators. Processor, the brain of the robot. It calculates the motion and the velocity of the robot. Software, operating system, robotic software and the collection of routine. And the last is application. Robotics engineers design robots, maintain them, develop new applications for them, and conduct research to expand the potential of robotics. Robots have become a popular educational tool in some middle and high schools, particularly in parts of the USA, as well as in numerous youth summer camps, raising interesting programming, artificial intelligence, and robotics among students. In addition, Robots are an essential part of modern manufacturing plant. Manufacturers have increased the use of robots. The robots market is growing steadily.
The next slide, I tell you about advantage and disadvantage. The first advantage, going too far away planning. Going far down into the unknown water and mind where humans would be crushed, giving us information that humans can guess. Working a blade 24 hours of 7 without any salary and food, plus they don't get boring. They can perform tasks faster than humans and much more consistently and accurately. More of them are automated, so they can go job by themselves without any human interference. The second is disadvantage. People can lose jobs in factory. It needs a supply of power. It needs maintenance to keep it running. It costs money to make or buy a robot. And the end is conclusion. It's a forecaster that in the next 20 years, person will have the need to use a personal robot like a PC today, and the robot will be the focus of major technological revolution after the internet. With this trend, along with other traditional applications of robots in industry, healthcare, education and training, entertainment and especially in security and defense, the market for robots and robot food service boost will be extremely large. Thank you for listening.